Hello, my name is Olobise Kadri, and this is my exercise 9 source code. Okay, this is my admin home.egs file, and this is the admin error page.egs file. And my image upload.egs file, my headers.egs files, my scripts.egs file, and this is error 401.egs file. .egs file. This is the login.egs file. And this is profile.egs file. This is sign up.egs file, and this is the database.js file. And this is index.js file. And this is okay, this is index passconfig.js file, and this is passwordcrypto.js file. Thank you.